Hello students, welcome back with the topic of pronouns. So I had already taught you that pronouns, what is the pronouns and some more pronouns also. So today video we will discuss about the kinds of pronoun part 2. In this video we will discuss relative pronouns, possessive pronoun and distributive pronoun. So next video I will start part 3. Only 2 pronouns are left, so that one also I will complete it. So let's start our video. So this is your topic, relative pronouns. Already explained you 3-4 pronouns. So today video will discuss relative pronouns. So this is the relative pronoun definition. Relative pronouns are used to introduce a relative clause in the sentence. There are 5 relative pronouns in English. There are who, that, whose, whom and which. We will see in detail. In relative pronouns, use an example. First relative pronoun who. So who used in person. Okay. Who used for the person, subject. Example, the girl who greeted us when we arrived was my cousin. Whom for person like object. The old woman whom I helped was Barbara's grandmother's. Okay. The next use which. Which used for things. The vase which was broken by Jenny was an antique. Yeah, unique. That used for things and person both. Okay. For example, you can see here. Don't want to buy something that looks ordinary. And for person, the girl that we saw smoking yesterday was suspended from school. And who's showing the position for that? Who's showing the position? Like the students whose mom just left is my best friend. So I hope so you understand the relative pronouns. If you have any doubt, you can see one more sentences are there. I sat between 2 people who were obviously pissed with each other. The man who you have talked to is the manager. Rahul was the writer of the stuff which we have used. The group that has the best presentation will win. So I hope you clear it. So you can see this exercise and fill the correct answer. 5 sentences are there. You do it. Okay. Now we discuss the possessive pronoun. Look at this example, a sentence. Raju is going to school on his bicycle. So possessive pronouns are those pronouns which tell us about possession or ownership. They tell us that a particular things belong to whom. Here is ours, yours, mine, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. These are the possessive pronouns. For example, these clothes are mine. That house is hers. So possessive pronouns do not depend on noun. So these pronouns can be used without a noun and the sentence make complete sense. You can see here. I saw a new bicycle. It's me. It is your. This book is new. It is his. So note possessive pronouns like hers, his, theirs, etc. are written without apostrophe before after s. So you can see this example I explained you in detail. So these clothes are mine. So here mine is a possessive pronoun because this pronoun tell us that the clothes belong to whom. Thus it shows the ownership of the clothes. Okay. So mine is our possessive pronoun. Understand you all of you? So you can see the next example. That house is hers. So in this example, hers is a possessive pronoun because this pronoun tells us that the house belongs to her. Thus it shows the ownership of the house. So this is the here is a possessive pronoun, and house is a noun. So you can see possessive pronoun already explain you. Okay, what is that? You read it. You can see the examples. Okay. First again I explain you. I saw a new bicycle. It's yours. Okay. It's asking question. Here observe that the possessive pronoun yours depends on the noun. So it does not depend on the noun. That is the bicycle. Since in reason your the pronouns yours is used without the noun, and it is makes complete sense. Second one, you can see this book is new. It is his. So observe that is show that the book is owned by a boy, and it is a possessive pronoun. His is a possessive pronoun. However, this again does not depend on the noun in the sentence. It is his makes complete sense on its own. So I hope you clear it. So you can see this note possessive pronouns like hers, like, his, theirs, etc. are written without apostrophe before or after s. As we know, the possessive pronoun does not depend on a noun. So if we use it with a noun, it's come after the nouns. You can see the example. I met a friend of mine. He is a cousin of hers. Okay. So here observe that the possessive pronoun mine does not depend on the noun friend, and so it's come after the noun friend. Okay, friend is a noun. Let us see the another example. He is cousin of hers. So here also the possessive pronoun hers comes after the noun cousin. Cousin is a noun, so it's after a noun. So I hope you understand this one. Next we see the distributive pronoun. This pronoun which refer to person or thing one at a time are called distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns examples are there: either, neither, none, each, any, and no one. We can see there each is used to denote every one of a number or persons or things taken single. Neither means that the one or the other of two. Neither means not the one nor the other of two. It is negative of either. Neither we use for the negative sense. Hence either and neither should be used only in speaking of two person or thing. And more example, any, none, no one should be used when more than two person or things are spoken of. Now look at these following sentences. Take either of these two apples. Neither of the two sisters came. Each of you can go home. See, none of them can do it. Any of these five girls may sing. So I hope you understand this one also. Let's see the indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to a person or things in a generally way, but did not refer to any person or thing in particular. So example, one, none, some, all, nobody, somebody, anybody, other, few, many. Okay, so these are the example. None help me, do go good to others, all know him, some come and some go. So this is the exercise you can do in copy. This is the video, your last one, emphatic pronouns, and this is the exercise which one I given to you. So we see the emphatic pronoun. Let's see some example. Like Raju said, I clean my room myself. The teacher said we should do ourselves. So in the first sentence, myself, that Raju cleaned his room, not anybody else. Similarly, in the second sentence, ourselves show that we do it not anybody else. So this kind of pronoun is called the emphatic pronouns because it is emphasized to nouns. So I hope you understand the emphatic pronoun. And if any doubt in detail also, I will make one video about the reflexive and emphatic pronoun. What is the difference this one? So please till then you read it and solve the exercise from your book also. So this topic is over now. In next class note I will give you the exercises. You do by yourself and I will see it. Then correct answer I will send you soon. So this is the exercise. You do in your copy. Already explain you what is indefinite pronouns. So this is the exercise. Here you do it this. Emphatic pronouns. Let's see some example. Raju said, I clean my room myself. The teacher said we should do work ourselves. I think this one also I explain you. In the first sentence, myself shows that Raju clean his room, not anybody else. Similarly, in the second sentence, ourselves show that we do it, not anybody else. So this kinds of pronoun is called the emphatic pronouns.